Dear students, good afternoon. Students, how are you? And I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now, students, today we are reading the chapter 2nd. Scratch means the theoretical part, the rest theoretical part of the chapter 2nd. Although by the previous week I have sent to you the practical part of this chapter 2nd, that is a scratch. So here now today we are reading the left part of the scratch chapter 2nd. So here I am starting through this stage. As earlier I am told to you ki what is stage. Okay, so practically I am showing you stage. So usually before starting the shooting of any animated movie, sets are designed and prepared in scratch. These sets are designed on the stage, means ki where we just draw anything, that area is called stage. As I am showing you, when the mouse is moved anywhere on the white area of the screen, the value of this x-axis and y-axis, x and y coordinate changes. Okay, when the mouse is moved anywhere, suppose our mouse that is moved from one place to another, now its coordinate changes. So this white area is called the stage. In this area, our stories, games, animation is executed. Whatever we have designed, that is executed in the stage. So the stage is divided into x and y grid, x and y coordinates, or you can say ki x and y grid. It is 480 units wide and 360 unit long. Dear students, its size is there. It is 480 units wide and 360 units long. The middle of the stage has x and y coordinate as 0. So here, dear students, activity is shown to you. Here is at the center where x-axis and y-axis cut each other. At this point, this is called the 0 axis. Both the sides here, that is x is 0, y is 0. After that, x is horizontal, that is x-axis, and vertical, that is y-axis. As although mathematics you have just when you just draw the graph, so you are knowing this in mathematics, even I think science also it is used. So you are knowing what is x-axis and y-axis. Left side, that is this side, that is negative x and negative y. Okay, and the right side, that is x-axis positive and y-axis also. Here is on the upper area, that is y-axis also positive, and y-axis on the upper side, that is y. Then this y coordinate, that is on the top side, that is positive, and the bottom side, that is negative. So here, dear students, this is the x and y coordinate. This stage is divided into x and y grid. Okay, so here next is, we can change the view of the stage by clicking on these buttons. As I am showing you in the practically, I am showing you ki these are we can change the view of the stage by clicking on these buttons. So one is their presentation mode, then restore mode, then minimize. These mode, view mode, these are the 3 view modes. So the stage has 2 more buttons: start, green flag, script. As you have seen there, one that is one green flag is there, and one that is the stop button, a red color stop button is also there. So what is the function of this? Start green flag script. When we click on this button, the script gets activated. Which script we just draw, that script is, or which script we have made, that script will be activated when we click on the start green flag button. Then the stop button, that is a red color button, a round red color button along with the green flag button. So when we click on this button, all the activated scripts are stopped. Now which script is activated? That is just stopped. Here just picture, in the picture it is shown to you, and that is green flag script button and stop button is also there. Okay, next is what is sprite. As I'm when I'm just sending you the practical, then at there I'm showing you ki which is the sprite. The character by default, the cat character is appear, and that is called the sprite. Okay, once the script is written and the sets are finalized, the next steps is to choose the character for our movie. So in Scratch, the character that perform animations are called sprite. The character in Scratch, the character that perform animations are called the sprite. Means कि on which character we just perform the animations. Animation, what you are knowing? Animation means कि when we move this, that is animation is there. When it move from x-axis, y-axis, that may be the negative side, that may be the negative x-axis, or even the y-sides, or even any area, or even continually it is moving, that is called the animations. Movement is there. So in Scratch, the character that perform animation are called the sprite. So a sprite is a small graphic object that moves independently. It moves independently around the stage. Producing animation effect, a new project always start with a single cat sprite. By default, as I am showing you, by default a single cat sprite is appear. Okay, now how we work with sprite? Scratch has a gallery full of different sprites. We can choose any sprite from this gallery for our project. Sometimes we are unable to find a suitable sprite. In such case, we can paint a new sprite according our own choice. Dear students, as I am just showing you in practically, we just one character, just that is the one animations or one character I have just painted in the paint. So after that I save this and appear this, just show this on the stage area. So by this way we have an option key, we can choose any sprite from the gallery according our own choice, or sometime when we are unable to even to find a suitable sprite. In such cases we can paint a new sprite by itself also. Okay, so now here, to get more sprite, explore the three new buttons, new sprite button. Okay, one is paint new sprite. As we have done this, choose a new sprite from file and get surprise sprite. We have three options. Even we can paint a new sprite, even we can choose that is a ready-made, that is which we can choose from library, or we can get the surprise sprite. Means just any one character that is appear on the stage, that is the get surprise button. So I think a paint new sprite I am showing to you, and choose a new sprite from file and get surprise sprite I just show you through practically by the next week. So for today that's all. You practice this, and rest part we are doing the practically. Thank you. Have a nice day.